Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and today I'll be changing the air filter in my scooter. This is the Honda Elite 110. It was only sold in the United States in 2010, but the rest of the world knows it as the Lead 110. This scooter has a top speed of 50 miles per hour and gets 105 miles per gallon. It has a reliable, fuel-injected and water-cooled engine and a low seat height that is comfortable for shorter riders. It also has the biggest seat compartment I've ever seen on a scooter. Mine has 5,000 miles and it's ready for some maintenance. The air filter is on the left side of the scooter behind this cover. It has 7 Phillips head screws. You can reach 5 of them without taking anything apart. To access the last 2 screws, the side cover needs to come off. Take the little panel off, then take the front screw out. The panel slides forward, then it can be removed. Take out 2 more screws, then the air cleaner cover can come off. The air filter is attached to another piece of plastic. Take out 4 more screws and the air filter is off. Mine is very dirty after 5,000 miles. You have 2 air filter choices for the Honda Elite. Revzilla.com is a great place to get original Honda parts. They have the original paper filter, or you can get the K&N filter. The K&N filter is better quality and it's reusable. It will clean the air better and give you more airflow for better performance. More airflow means the scooter might use more gas, so I went with the stock paper filter to keep my fuel economy the same. Reinstall the 4 screws to attach the new filter to the plastic. Then the air filter housing can go back in the scooter. Remember, there are 7 screws holding the air cleaner. Hold the air cleaner in place with one hand while tightening the screws. Now the left side cover can go back on. Line up the tabs and slide it into place. First install the front screw, then install the small rear cover and screw. That's it. Changing the air filter on this scooter is very easy. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out my other Honda Elite repair videos.